Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a really sweet 2014 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Fat Boy is a Softail bike. This one's got the 103 motor, 6-speed transmission. Got an engine guard added up front here. They've also added a detachable windshield. Looks like it's got a couple of scratches right up in here, around the edge. Or maybe they took it off and laid it on something, I don't know, but it doesn't hinder your vision. You can still see through it pretty good. Upgraded hand grips, upgraded floorboards and pedals. Doesn't have any rear passenger pegs. I don't know, apparently they took those off, and this passenger pad here can pop right off, and it turns this bike into a really slick looking solo bike. This is that color is called Amber Whiskey. It's a metallic orangish gold color. Very nice color. Upgraded with a set of Vance & Hines exhaust. Got the chrome rims. Got good tires on it. This one back here, you can still see the little nipples on there, little knobs. Upgraded air cleaner cover. Got a good front tire on it as well. Front end looks real nice. Got some chrome axle nut covers on it. The bike's got 5,873 miles. It's got anti-lock brakes. A little flashing yellow light there is from the anti-lock brakes. Runs real good. We ran it through our shop and checked it out to make sure it was in good shape for you. This bike qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this Fat Boy to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.